Hey, what's going on, guys? Laughing here with a quick video today. This is kind of not really a format that I do. This is just a little side-by-side comparison of the Fatshark internal DVR that I have on my HDOs and a new product that I'm checking out called the Immersion RC PowerPlay DVR. So if you are watching this video, make sure to go down to the little gear icon and change your frame rate to 60 frames per second. Otherwise, it's just going to look weird. You're not really going to be able to see the difference that I'm seeing here. Okay, so if you made it this far, I'm assuming that you're now watching at 60 frames per second. I would recommend watching at 1080 for full quality, but do whatever you want. All right, so let's get right into the video here. Okay, so you can see my parents' dog here. His name is Uno because he was the first one out of his litter to be born. Little fun fact there. So right off the bat, you can see that the quality of the DVR is a little different. The one on the right here is the PowerPlay DVR, and that one is visibly better quality. You can see it looks a little bit better. I even think that the OSD font looks just a little bit clearer here. But anyway, this is just a little track that I have set up at my parents' house. I'm actually teaching my dad how to fly a tiny hawk, so he's working on that. Right here, I've slowed the video down to half, and you can kind of see it's a little bit smoother because of the increased frame rate. You'll also notice it's just a little bit out of sync, and that's because of the drop frames. So as you can see listed below, you can see that the higher frame rate is the 59.94 frames per second drop frame, and the lower one is the 29.93 frame per second drop frame. And if these were exactly half, they would be synced up, but since they're not, 59.94 divided by 2 is actually 29.97, not 93. So there's going to be a little bit of, disparity, I guess, between the two. But anyway, here you can see I'm really digging the quality of the PowerPlay. I'm excited to do kind of a more full review of it as I get to use it more and learn more about it. But I'm just going to leave you guys for the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoy.